Hello everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are doing great. So our today's video is a left and right brain activity of level 2, 3 and 4. I have already shared the level 1 in my previous video. I have given the link of that video in our description. So just go there, check that out and you can find that video. Moreover, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the regular notifications. This video is in both languages, Hindi and English. If you want to watch in English, continue with this video. और अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. आप उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और आप पूरी वीडियो जो है वो हिंदी में देख पाएंगे, right? So now let's get started with our activity. So here, as you could see, I have drawn some circles, and to make it a bit more interesting for the child, I have just colored them with different colors, right? So this activity is based on the fingers only. So first, what child is supposed to do, he has to count the circles. Here one circle, so child would use both hand fingers here, right? So if there are two circles, red circles, so child would represent two fingers, then three circles, three fingers both side, four circles, four fingers both side, and five circles, that means five fingers both side, right? So you can ask the child to do like this, right? Both hands should be used simultaneously all together. Fine. If the child is doing like this, then this is not the proper way. Child is supposed to use both the hands all together like this, 1 2 3, like this, right? After this, our level 3 is there. In this, I have just written at the left side number 1 to 5, and at the right side the random numbers, right? So first child would read the numbers. So as you could see, it's 1 at the left and 3 at the right. So child would use his fingers and show the fingers as per the number written. So 1 and 3, then 2 and 1, then the next is 3 and 5, right? Then 4 and 2, and the last one is 5 and 4, right? So child would do that by making some practice. He can increase the speed day by day, and then gradually child can do it little faster, right? Like this, then 2 and 1, 3 and 5 all together, both the hands. So this can come up with the practice, right? After this level, we have our level 4. So in this level 4, at the left side I have just drawn some red circles, and at the right side I have drawn some green circles. So in this activity, child is supposed to first read the number of circles here, right? And then would represent the fingers accordingly, right? So that's 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 3 and 4, 4 and 3, and then 1 and 5, right? So child is supposed to do it a little bit faster by the practice, I said already. So this is a wonderful activity for left and right brain stimulation, and this activity really helps the child in improving coordination, in improving focus, concentration, and moreover child really enjoyed this kind of activities to do. Fine. So I hope that these kind of activities are really helpful to you. If that's so, then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do let me in the comment section that what you think about this activity. And we will meet soon with our more upcoming videos, right? Till then, thanks for watching and take best care of yourself. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you tried this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.